Welcome to the world of Pinot Noir, a red wine that charms with its versatility and complexity. What's the secret behind pairing Pinot Noir with everything from grilled steak to mom's Jewish apple cake? And why is Pinot Noir known as a bridge wine? And how does it manage to complement both light and hearty dishes so well? Find out as we delve into the personality behind its food pairing versatility and what to know in selecting your bottle of Pinot Noir. Serving up smiles one dish at a time. Food is Thy Mood is now live. Hello, Moody Foodies! Grab your wine glasses because we're about to explore a wine that's as versatile as it is delightful, Pinot Noir. Pinot Noir's real charm lies in its food-friendly nature. It pairs wonderfully with a range of dishes, from grilled steak and roast chicken to the richness of salmon and duck. How does it play so nicely with the whole spectrum of flavors? We'll tell you. It's Pinot Noir's aromatic cocktail of all three: fruits, earth, and spices. The wine's versatility extends to surprising matches like barbecue, where its ripe fruit complements the sweet and smoky flavors of the meat. Pinot Noir is like the Swiss Army knife of wines. Seriously, its mix of moderate tannins, just right body, and zippy acidity makes it the perfect +1 for almost any meal, light or hearty. It slices through the richness of fatty dishes without overpowering your lighter meals. But beyond these classic combinations, how does Pinot Noir elevate even the simplest of meals to a culinary delight? Pinot Noir Day is a celebration of this beloved grape, and today we're diving into everything that makes it special, from its unique characteristics to the best food pairings that elevate its flavors. Pinot Noir is a grape that captivates with its finicky nature, requiring a cool climate to thrive. Its roots run deep in the Burgundy region of France, yet it has found a second home in its vineyards of America. From the sun-kissed valleys of California to the cool, misty regions of Oregon, Pinot Noir expresses a spectrum of flavors influenced by the terroir it grows in. Did you know Pinot Noir isn't just a French or American favorite? It's grown all over the world, from Australia to South Africa, proving how versatile it is. What's really cool is its genetic quirkiness. Over 50 different clones in France alone. This means winemakers can pick and choose the best suited for their land, tweaking the flavors and complexity of the wine. Pretty neat, right? Ever thought about how a grape can express a spectrum of flavors based on where it's grown? Now let's explore some standout pairings with Pinot Noir that truly highlight its versatility. Starting with grilled polenta and mushrooms, where the earthy flavors of mushrooms perfectly complement the soft, subtle notes of Pinot Noir. Next, we have salmon and mushrooms and cherry Pinot Noir sauce. This elegant pairing showcases Pinot Noir's affinity for salmon, with cherries enhancing the wine's fruitiness. And for a sweet twist, mom's Jewish apple cake paired with Pinot Noir might surprise you. Perfect for a dessert or a morning treat, this combination highlights the wine's adaptability. These examples not only show Pinot Noir's range from savory to sweet, but also pose an intriguing question. How can wine offer such a broad spectrum of pairing possibilities? And are you prepared for selecting your next bottle of Pinot Noir? Stay with us! In California, Pinot Noir basks in the glory of the sun, enveloped by the dry warmth of the day and cooled by the breezes of the night. This results in wines that are ripe, fruit-forward, and slightly heavier in body. The Russian River Valley, Carneros, and Santa Barbara are just a few of the regions that produce exceptional Pinot Noir, characterized by rich flavors of plum, blackberry, and cherry. Pair a bolder California Pinot with a smoked or deep-fried turkey. How do these diverse Californian microclimates specifically tailor the body, acidity, and flavor profiles of their Pinot Noir wines? California's Pinot Noir is a bit of a chameleon, thanks to the state's crazy variety of microclimates. The coast cools things down just right for growing these grapes. Take the Santa Lucia Highlands, for example. Blazing sun paired with cool Monterey Bay breezes gives the Pinot Noir this perfect mix of zesty acidity and lush fruitiness. It's like each bottle is a little lesson in how much location matters in winemaking. What does this mean for food pairing? Elegant Pinot Noir is a perfect partner for pepperoni pizza. The tangy sweet tomato sauce and salty pepperoni bring out the fruity plum and berry notes in the wine. At the same time, Pinot's acidity helps tame the richness of the greasy pepperoni and cheese. Pinot Noir is tasty with all kinds of charcuterie and cured meats. Oregon's cooler climate lends its Pinot Noir a different character. Here, the wine is lighter with red fruit characteristics, more acidity, and a touch of earthiness, reminiscent of the traditional French Burgundy style. The Willamette Valley, with its distinct seasons, creates conditions that allow the grape to ripen slowly, developing a delicate structure and lighter color. Try a French Burgundy with classic roast turkey. When selecting a Pinot Noir, should you consider the impact of Oregon's commitment to sustainable and biodynamic farming practices on the flavor and quality of its Pinot Noir? Oregon's Pinot Noir production is notable not only for its quality but also for its commitment to sustainability and biodynamic farming practices. Many of their vineyards stick to sustainable, organic, or even biodynamic farming, showing Oregon's big eco-friendly heart. This green approach makes the wine better, bringing out a true expression of a terroir. It's why Oregon stands out as a pioneer in making wine in a way that respects Mother Nature. And as Oregon Pinot Noirs age, they develop mushroom notes that will enhance the natural flavors in fungi, whether you're eating porcinis, morels, portobellos, or truffles. Starting your wine journey with something as accessible as a $2 chalk from Trader Joe's isn't a bad idea, as humorously suggested by Skeel Rutherford. The key is to explore and elevate your taste from there. Whether it's the complex, acid-driven Pinot Noir from New Zealand's Marlborough region or the jammy, earthy tones of California's Central Coast, each bottle offers a journey through the senses. Does engaging your sense of smell before tasting truly change your wine experience? And if so, how? The art of wine tasting, particularly with Pinot Noir, is as much about the nose as it is about the palate. Smelling the wine before tasting can enhance the experience, unlocking flavors and aromas that you might otherwise miss. And when it comes to serving, maintaining the optimal temperature is crucial, with reds best enjoyed slightly cooler than room temperature. Pinot Noir's aging game is all about the map. Some bottles are ready to party now, while others chill out, getting more complex over the years. It all boils down to where it's from, how it's made, and even the barrel magic. The cool part? Aged Pinots can go all mushroom, foresty, and leathery on you, really showing off their depth. It's what makes Pinot Noir a total show-off for wine lovers who dig that evolution vibe. Pinot Noir Day may be a celebration of the grape, but it's also a reminder of the joy and discoveries waiting in every bottle. From the vineyards of France to the diverse landscapes of America, Pinot Noir continues to enchant with its myriad expressions and the promise of perfect pairings. What's your ultimate Pinot Noir pairing? Drop your favorites in the comments below and don't forget to hit subscribe for more wine wisdom on our channel. As we say goodbye, remember, in the world of wine, Pinot Noir is your passport to Flavor Town. So uncork, unwind, and let's toast to the adventures in every glass. Cheers to your next sip being as memorable as the last.